What's up everybody, it's your granny here. Today I'm back with another banger video for you guys. Today I'm going to eat some jello. Right here, I just opened it before the video started. I got the orange flavor that I never tasted before. And then the strawberry or whatever flavor that is. And yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so no talking. Look at that. It's so slippery, like slimy. It really is. Sorry for the background noise. That's my brother. He's playing Fortnite with his friend over, and they always do that every time. It's like kids are addicted to Fortnite. I just don't. I like Fortnite, but I don't play games that much. My brother is a rager. Oh yeah. And before y'all even say that, I just put my jello on the table. I cleaned the table off before I put the jello on the table. Before I catch any disease. But yeah. And like, thank you for, and if you like this video, like, share. I can't even pick the thing up. Oh, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can see all the videos I post daily. And yeah. This is a weird flavor. But yeah. It's like orange, strawberry, you know, the push-ups, the orange flavor. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Yeah. Dang, girl. And I got sensitive teeth. That was my friend. And I got sensitive teeth, so when I first bit inside, into the jello, it was like, my teeth was just, it just, woo. Cause I like my jello cold, and it was in the refrigerator, cause that's how I keep my jello. Cause if you have like jello and you don't put it in the refrigerator, it just sits in the cabinet. It just takes out all the flavor from the jello, and I don't like that. I just like